Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So just a bit of a small recce out to Royston Pump Track to see how steep some of the I suppose some of the hills and the slopes are, to see if my Bamboo GT could get around here. I think it could do some of it on ATs. I think some of the slopes I could do on foamies, but I think majority would be ATs for clearance. But I think all in all, this looks like a fun track. There's no one here at the moment, so presumably people aren't really using this at the moment. So it may be an early morning to see if I can get around a couple of bits. So anyway, I hope you just enjoy this little, I suppose, little fly round of the track to see what it's like. Hopefully over the coming days or weeks, I want to see if I can get up here with my board. And yeah, take it easy. Speak to you all very soon. Bye bye.